everyone, my name is Vidya and I'm an influencer and a content creator here on Instagram. So today's look is a reverse eyeshadow look. Everyone does so much on their lids. So this is something very different and it is a lot in trend as well. So I've done a pop of green in my eyes and I've taken a little bright pink. You can also use a nude for this look, but I love how they complement each other. So to get this look, keep on watching. So like you can see, I've done my base already off camera. So I'm going to show you how we get the reverse eyeshadow. So for that pop of green, I'm using the Color Bar Eye Glide pencil in the shade Peacock Throne. This is such a beautiful color. It's an in-between color between a sea green and a sea blue. I love this shade. You gotta be careful that you don't move your foundation, and you gently go little by little and color your lower lash line. This pencil is super smooth. It's not going to take much of your time. Now for the waterline, I'm using the Color Bar All-Rounder pencil in Squishy Lime. This is going to pop your eyes more. It's going to look really good. I'm going to focus this color right in the waterline. Since it's a waterline, you might have to go a couple of times, but you will see the difference. So I went ahead and put some mascara already, and I'm not doing anything for my lower lashes because I want the color to actually pop. So as you all can see, my face is super flat now. We need to bring back color to the face. So for blush, I'm using the Color Bar Mattelicious blush in the shade Flushed Satin. For highlighter, I'm using the Faces Canada All That Glow highlighter. This looks like a blush, but it is not a blush. It's such a beautiful highlighter. For lips, I'm using the Smudge Me Not Liquid lipstick in the shade Brink of Pink. So that's it for this look, guys. Wasn't it so simple to get this? This is super simple and I love how this turned out. It can always put a spotlight in the crowd. So this is that kind of a look and I really loved how this turned out. All the products that I just used is available on Limeroad. They also have amazing offers running. Do check them out. And I'm going to create such beautiful looks for you guys very soon. So stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching.